Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add custom text watermark in Word. Firstly open your Word document. This is my Word document already open and click here design menu. Here you will find this watermark option. Click here and select here custom watermark and choose here text watermark. Here you can change watermark language. I choose United States and here type your watermark name. I stop and watermark font style calibri and font size auto and watermark color. I'll choose this red and you can choose here horizontal apply. This watermark already applied. I'll choose diagonal and remove semi-transparent. Now apply this watermark. Apply all of this document and finally click file option, save as your Word document. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.